we almost at 10? Oh, we're 8:36. Okay. Let me go back and buy. Maybe fight some more minions.
Fight the on.
Courses through me.
Interesting. Let's see here. Just up just a little bit. Does that help? Nah, not really. Let me see.
What?
Whew. Getting in here. Gonna try to do the thing. Disgusting. That might be the game right there.
Yeah.
Ugh.
Through my enemies, no one will bar my path.
Try and run earn.
Good night.
Now there's 3 people on blue.
Hayes was over here somewhere. She backed off. I
I'm
guess.
going purple.
Coming to green. There's 3 coming on green. We should be careful.
And away we go.
I just saw Lone Krill kill somebody over here, so careful, I guess.
What up, Mayo?
As a leader of Hyrule and the priestess of legend, please do what you must to protect our kingdom. Alright. Sounds good to me. He's got monster intel. Okay. Alright, I almost healed myself up with Spearhead lifesteal. Whew. Getting in here. Gonna try to do the thing.
In it.
Oh.
I already didn't like MOBAs to begin with. Overwatch 2 is kind of like a
It's nothing like a MOBA.
No. Well,
It's literally a shooter.
I was gonna say you like Pokemon Unite.
Hero, whatever.
That's a MOBA. Just supporting my team.
Come on, come on, come on. Nice.
Shiv/lash, whatever, is way too far up.
I see 7.
Me and the big grandpa are already down. Like, what are we doing without our grandpa? We can't be out that far without our grandpa.
I think I'm gonna declare this a GG. Because this is.
Whew.
I mean, I'm going 2, 3, and 1. I'm feeling pretty good.
Our blue walker is under attack.
Headed to Papa.
Those wounds.
Upgrade energy. That's fine. We'll do that. I already got the sword and bow level 2, so.
I haven't even upgraded the bow at all yet.
They're for poke than the turrets are.
And I know you are ready to rise to the occasion.
Yep, I knew that would get the Mullen Krill to use his ult if I came down and did that. I did it anyway just to see if I could get it away from him, but I died because of it.
I see Hayes. I see the professor.
Feeling right.
Your blades continue to strike.
Wow, are we gonna get their turret?
Yeah, we
3.5 minutes into the game.
That did just. See how we're doing reviews wise. 4.72. Heyo. Really cheap coming. Okay. No, that isn't the same monster Link defeated. The power used to create this monster is the same power as it used to create echoes. This monster is an echo. A Ganon echo. I am Ganon, the Demon King who reigns over the darkness of this world. No one can defeat me.
Can't go wrong with these.
Maybe he's overestimating me. I don't know. Maybe I've done some things that made him say like, huh, this McGinnis might kill me. I don't know. Okay. And slowing bullets, why not? Let's get back out there. Can't run away from me. Eventually I'll try to get the silencer, but for now I'm just playing. Classic Haze. Bro, peace. Okay. Play against some people more my speed if we can. That would be a wonderful thing. Match canceled.
Hell yeah. It was worth the sacrifice. Get him. Get him all. End the damn game for me.
I will bolster your mind.
Time for a little help.
Nice.
I'm hearing an enemy. Yep. There's a pot. Oop. Pockets here. I'm not sure.
Let's see him dodge this.
You can get me.
3 minutes.
I'll throw in a free keychain. An excellent choice.
Some damage, please.
Putting down a turret.
Target has been destroyed.
As up as I can. Turret's up.
Oh. I thought Pocket had that.
I was hoping.
We're not dying today. Think I'll let these things do the shooting for me. Need more firepower.
One ability is everything. All right.
You good? You good?
Defenses are up.
Six times 12 is 72. I have my fair share of souls.
At that very second.
Sir.
Now someone needs to go clear it.
All right.
Hey, the battlefield moves quickly, man.
I
Get
volunteer.
majestic leap and launch yourself over there.
I shall never get Majestic Leap. I don't even know what that is or how to use it.
It's
Oh, perfect.
All right, buddy, give him hell.
Only a couple of them can kill him.
Going high.
Oh.
I'll buy us some time.
after more of his HP back.
Games that it's like coming off of, and they're all really good, so I'm hoping that this one's also really good. But it's a November game, so I'll probably have to like put it on my Christmas list and just hope. Awesome, dude. Sorry, I just missed that until just now. Well, this game is...
Relentless.
Almost got the walker, but they actually decided to fight us for real. So I died once while I was over there.
I mean, they right though. 44k to 16k in 8 minutes.
You fighting alone? There's something else capable of using the same power I have. Yeah, seems like it. Do you think all the monsters have been capturing me and my friends were echoes too? That's what I've been saying this whole time. It's all pretty confusing right now. I'm sorry I don't know more. We're basically...
The fuck did that beep up just say?
Don't let them outposition us.
exit.
Oh, you got the update too, huh?
Yeah. Do you mind if I go hit the bathroom real quick?
No.
Okay, great.
Hold it.
I'm gonna put on the BR back screen. It'll take me not very long. Rejuvenators.
Oh, they were a little confident.
True. Oh, ultimate.
Oh, Moan Krill's back already.
Oh, he tried to ult me. I'm unstoppable, man. What are you gonna do about that?
waste his ult apparently. Extra regen because these guys are being ridiculous.
They're probably being that ridiculous because I'm the one melting them in the first place. Alright, I gotta buy and then I'll be right there.
Oh gosh.
Time to block them off.
Alright, boosting.
Need more firepower.
I'm at 17k and their highest is 19 and she's the one who always seems to be around when I'm trying to do something. I'm going 3, 4, and 1 right now.
We took down 7. We're not dying today. Barriers up. Releasing spirits.
Got her. I'm backing for health because that was close and scary. Nah, I don't like it.
I took
Time for some heavy ordnance.
Krillmo's health.
Our yellow
Do it. Take Chromo's health.
Oh, I did.
Why you still low then? What happened?
Oh, because I was still getting attacked by somebody.
The spirit urn is waiting to be claimed.
Yellow Guardian, bro. Oh no. Power on me, that's a good point, game. I win those, but I don't win those.
This is our battlefield.
Yo. Healing booster. Yeah, why not? Sustainy boy.
Oh, you going hard. Or wait, no, the McGinnis is going hard. Sorry. I'm not used to you not being. You guys stop doing this to me, Pounds.
Listen, it's
Turret. Barriers up.
Our walker is under attack.
Turrets online.
Nar.
do it. Shred the gnar.
I'm narring, bro. I can buy another mid-game item here. I'll get Mystic Vulnerability. There we go. There we go.
Purple Guardian is being
4, 4, 4, 3. Move this over here. Okay. So I think that's good for her actual attacks. Yeah, I doubt it too, Tom. I doubt it too. I don't think... Oh, hey. I don't think they're in the build anymore, Joshua. If we can get Ricochet, that's generally what we go for now. Oh, I had 4 more seconds before my ult. aggressive when I got back in.
My turn. No, I'll wait until they're all in the pit trying to go for the finish.
Try to ult them.
Yeah.
You got the ding ding ding. Dynamo's fed. Not sure if he's the one who killed me though.
Alright, I did pick up the ward. We're doing it. We're doing the thing.
Alright, well if they're gonna not gonna respond to these minions here.
Walls out. Deploying heal. Time for a little help.
In your nature, guys.
Barriers up. Setting up a turret.
Freak him out a little bit.